Hi, I'm David Finch. I'm a professional comic book artist. I want to tell you that drawing is so much easier than you think. It's true that it takes time and dedication to get the most out of your art, but at its core, it comes down to a few simple rules and techniques that anyone can learn. Whether you want to be the next great superhero artist, game designer, or you just want to take it up as a hobby, I'm here to help you along with your journey. We'll be covering every part of the illustration process, from layouts to design to inking, rendering and figure drawing and backgrounds, and every part of the process that it takes to create a comic book or just a great illustration. Also, we'll be covering all of the tools that I use to create my artwork, from traditional to digital, pencils, pens, rulers, basically everything that I use. And as I change, which I do all the time because I like to experiment and try different techniques to try and improve, I will update you on what I'm currently using and why I'm using it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. And if you have any content that you would like to see from me, leave a comment below or on any of the videos that I'm doing, and I will try to get to them as quickly as I can.